through our in-depth review process. This model is one of the best rated product in the market today.
Ditch the cord and gas and cut the grass with MJ401C, the completely cordless counterpart of Sun Joe's best-selling MJ401E electric mower. Perfect for small to medium lawns, the eco-friendly battery-powered mower's durable steel blade cuts a crisp 14-inch wide path with precision in a single pass and features a convenient 3-position manual height control to quickly tailor your turf to just the right height. When you're ready, simply insert the key, press the safety switch, squeeze the trigger, and go. Collect the clippings with a 10.6-gallon bag and detach for quick and easy disposal. Plus, MJ401C is driven by a long-life, peak-performance rechargeable 28-volt lithium-ion battery for the ultimate in cordless convenience. And when the workday is done, simply plug back in and power up. Blast past the limits of the extension cord with cordless power and performance. And go with Joe, the MJ401C 28-volt 14-inch cordless lawnmower from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
Now, let's see the features of this great product. And these are editor rating for this product.